Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today we are making this beautiful pancake, this yummy, delicious, beautiful pancake. So basically, just welcome back to my channel. I don't always cook, but I just said I should share my delicious pancake recipe with you guys today. So this pancake is a vanilla flavored pancake. It's so yummy, it's so nice. I wish you guys were trying it with me here. It's so delicious, like literally so delicious. I think I'm taking way too much time in this. I think I'm taking way too much time. So let's dive right into the video and move straight forward into it. So for this video, for this pancake, you need 2 eggs. 2 eggs. You crack the eggs open, you put it in your pan, and you whisk it. You want to whisk your egg. I don't think I whisked mine, but you can whisk yours if you want to. I am not always very serious, guys, but you guys should take me seriously. But I'm always joking. You need, that measurement. Yeah, that measurement. Quarter cup of, that's water, right? Yeah. Yeah, you need a quarter cup of sugar. You put 2 of this cup, which is basically half a cup of sugar for this recipe, because I was making for 2. So I was making for 2. This pancake portion is for 2, just in case you're making for 2. So basically you use half cup of flour, half cup of sugar. Sorry for that. You use half cup of sugar. Please be more accurate than me. I've been doing this way too long and I think I just got comfortable. But this is like literally Saturday pancake. You want to mix that in together like very well. Here I am mixing it. I'm using my wooden spoon to, whisk and mix that egg and sugar together. So it's all mixed in very well and nice. I'm just taking my time to mix this because this is like a very, very, very important part. So when you're done mixing that, you want to go ahead with order of your ingredients. I'll just try to make sure you guys are seeing it right here, because most of my videos be just be not showing you where I want it. So I'm just trying to make sure you guys are seeing what I'm doing here. You're basically just mixing it. I don't know why I'm mixing it too. Okay, so now we're using half a tablespoon of vanilla flavor. I think that's the flavor they extract. I think this is vanilla extract. And basically that was what we are using here. We're using 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. You put 2 tablespoons and then you mix that in well, because you want it to incorporate very well in your pancake, because that's what gives it the vanilla flavor. I swear this pancake is so amazing, guys. And basically that's it. Now I'm going in with my olive oil. Yes, you need olive oil. Actually no, I wasn't using olive oil, I was using groundnut oil. Literally the type of oil we use here in Nigeria mostly. So I'm going to go in my oil, my cooking oil. I'm using King's oil, by the way. Shout out to King's. That's the only thing I use in cooking. So I'll put 2, I think that's tablespoon. I think that's 2 tablespoons of King's oil. And I'm going to mix that in. So basically if you see, I'm going through every step and I'm mixing. I'm not just dunking in everything and then mix later. I'm just mixing after every ingredient, because that is very important. Now this is 2 tablespoons or 2 cup, not tablespoons, sorry. This is 2 cups of milk. This milk, it's not like your normal 3-crown milk. If you're in Nigeria, you understand what I mean. Your normal 3-crown milk, those milks are a bit thicker. This milk is literally me using powder milk to make my own liquid milk, because I found that it tastes better and the pancake is more fluffier. So I use my mixy powder milk, and 42 tablespoons of for the 2 cup of milk, I think I used almost a roll of mixing milk, but it was very good, I swear. So I'm going to pour that milk in there while stirring to mix it and incorporate it into the whole thing very well. See, basically I'm mixing and adding, mixing and adding. You want to keep doing that so that it doesn't separate. So when you put your flour, some part doesn't cling to something different. You get? So basically that's what I'm doing right here. I'm mixing it. Don't forget, I said this pancake portion I'm making is for 2. So if you're making for 1, you can just remove 1 of everything I added and just make for 1, because I make for myself when my husband is not around. I make for myself all the time. So now I'm going in with baking powder. I'm using 2 teaspoons of baking powder. That's teaspoon. I did not show you the spoon, but it's teaspoon. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and I'm going to mix that in so well, because you want that to be, mixed in well. You don't want it to be clumpy, so that it doesn't, look different or taste different, or maybe you taste the baking powder in the pancake. Here I've mixed it very well, and I'm going in my flour. For this flour, I basically, if you're using 3-crown milk, right? If you're in Nigeria, you know what 3-crown milk is. I don't mean the sachet, I mean the tin milk. If you're using that tin milk, it's thicker. You basically just need, for these 2 portions, you basically just need 2 cups of flour. But for this portion, I think I use about 3 or 4 cups of flour. I had to get it to the consistency that I want. I didn't use water because water was already in my milk. I didn't add any water, so I just basically mix this till I get to the consistency I want. So you just want to eyeball it. Towards the ending, I'll show you the right consistency that your pancake needs to be for you to have a very fluffy and nice pancake. But you want to take your time and mix this very well. I use my wooden spoon because it's doing a very great job for me, and I don't have a whisker yet. But trust me, I do this every Saturday. I should have a whisker, but I don't. So I use my wooden spoon. It's doing well. So why fix what's not broken? It's not broken. It's working fine. So I'm just going with that. So you just keep mixing this until you get to the consistency that is right for your pancake. This is the consistency that is right. You want it to be runny but not too runny, to look good and yummy. Basically that's me showing you guys, and you don't want it clumpy. You don't want to have a clumpy clay or baking powder in your pancake. You will test it. Now I'm going in with my salvet and I'm touching a little bit of that oil on the pan, just using to, just rub the pan. This pan is hot. You could see it smoking. Why are you smoking, pan? What did I do to you? Don't mind me. So I'm going to go in and I'm using this purple. Oh my god, if you're in Nigeria, you understand. There are lots of things I had to use because I'm in Nigeria. I'm using this purple spoon that is in shading rice if you go to occasions. Yes, that's what I'm using to measure my pancake. Some people measure it in like cups, but I use that purple spoon because it just works better for me, and I don't have to get my measuring cups dirty. So yeah. So these, you want to let the pancake sit until you start seeing these bubbles. These bubbles you're seeing right here coming up in the pancake right now, it is important. It is very crucial. You have to see these bubbles. Don't let it get burnt, but you have to see these bubbles. When you see the bubbles, as much as you're seeing it now, you'd flip that pancake. I'm waiting for the edges to get the bubbles so that it doesn't become so it's not too runny. You see now it's firm. I just flip it over right there. That was a nice flip. Bravo, girl. So basically that is it, and I hope you guys enjoyed making this pancake with me because it's a very nice experience. I'm trying to just put my hand over it. You leave it for a couple of minutes. Like when you flip it over, it should just be like maybe a couple of minutes and then you take it out. Now I'm repeating that process, but I'm trying to fast forward it this time around because you guys don't want to watch that over again. So basically, yeah, I'm fast forwarding this part because you really don't want to watch it again. You flip the pancake and you make your pancake. Once you're done, that's nice. Now I'm going to show you guys how I made my scrambled egg. It's not important, but it's all fast forward, but it's not important. But it's how I make my own scrambled egg. I'm not saying that's the way you should make yours. So basically that's it for the scrambled egg. I mix my egg with pepper, grounded pepper, salt. I don't really spice my egg too much because my stomach always get bad. Like I do have a running stomach whenever I put too much ingredients in my egg. So I try to keep it as plain as possible. So it's just pepper and salt, and that's what I do. But if my husband tries to make egg for us, he literally puts like curry, all those stuff, and I don't even know why that man do that. But after that, I'd be in the toilet. Like I'll be in the toilet for hours. Y'all should tell him to stop putting curry in his egg. By the way, this is me making my scrambled egg. I'm just gonna keep pushing that egg aside and trying to, you know, make everything cook. Now I'm just trying to fluff it off so that everywhere will just get well nice and cooked. Because I kind of like my egg a little bit crunchy, not too crunchy, just a little bit. And here I'm letting it boil some more. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go over and do my serving with my very good syrup. I love that syrup. So this is the pancake, and I'm putting this very lovely syrup. This is a butterscotch syrup. This syrup is so nice. I don't know if I showed the syrup, but if I didn't, it'll probably be on my Instagram. So please do also follow me on Instagram. And on TikTok I do videos here, and I also advise people. I just not really advise, but I give a little bit of tips on marriage, stuff that I've learned so far, because marriage could be very confusing sometimes. It's not easy. It's not. Anybody that's telling you it's easy is lying to you. It's not easy, but it's a good thing. So thanks for enjoying my pancake video. I love you guys. Till next time, peace out. Love you.